With just 3 ingredients, you can make foam paint. Just mix the ingredients in a bag, cut a hole, and start painting and decorating. As you gather your supplies, talk about them with your child. Encourage them to make a guess, also known as a hypothesis, about what they think will happen when the ingredients are mixed together. Once you've made the foam paint, talk about their guess. How were they correct? How did things turn out differently than they expected? Repeat your experiment as you make a different color of paint to see if things turn out differently. Sequencing is the process of putting events, ideas, or objects in order from beginning to end. It is an important part of telling a story. As you make your foam paint, use words like first, next, then, and finally to help your child grasp the idea of sequencing. As your child creates with their foam paint, focus on the process, not the product. Ask them about their creations. I see you use lots of blue. What made you pick blue? Or what did you use to make the paint look like that on your paper? Use descriptive words while your child does their art. For example, you can talk about how the paint is squishy. This is a great way to expand your child's vocabulary. The more words a child hears, the easier it will be for them to recognize words when they start to read.